What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm starting this video in the morning, so good morning. How are you guys doing? Slept so good last night. If y'all know, I finally got my blow up mattress that my mom ordered me. Thank you, mommy. And I slept good. I had my comforter, I had my pillow. It was a really good sleep. Now today's gonna be a good day as well. I'm gonna build my dresser. I need clothes. I wanna put everything I got up, all my essentials, everything that I showed y'all in my videos. Check them out. They should be out soon, and then are already out. Before we do any of that, before I build my dresser, before we spray, I need to prioritize my health, because listen, y'all, I am the type of person who would get so caught up with getting my checklist done that I don't think about my eating, brushing my teeth. I need to do all my health and hygiene stuff first, get some changing clothes on, and then we'll start working. Because if I don't, y'all, everything will be done, but my body won't be taken care of, and that's most important. So I'm gonna make pancakes. I'm just deciding if I want to do peanut butter chips with strawberries on it, because I cannot do the bananas because my driver brought all green bananas. Look at my house right now. It looks the same from when I need to take this out. This is food. I need to take it out. But we're gonna put all of this up, get that built, put some stuff up. We're gonna figure it out. My mattress is supposed to be coming today, and my desk chair. So, okay guys, so I just finished cooking breakfast. We got some eggs, 2 turkey bacons, and I did do peanut butter chips. I'm not eating. I'm gonna do my hygiene, get changed, get some clothes, and we're gonna start working, y'all. I just got a package delivered, which I don't know what it was. Okay guys, so I just did quality control on the dresser. I took it out and I have all the pieces. I got a message that something delivered, so let's go check outside. It's definitely not out there, so that means it is in the office, so I'll have to go. Maybe I don't have a code because it's big and it's not fit in the thing because it is a big box. But I'll go get that later. I don't feel like getting it now. I'm gonna focus on getting my dresser built because I'm so ready to get my clothes up, because I have not many clothes, which is why I was like, wait, I'm about to change clothes. I don't even have any clothes to change into. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, y'all. Now, we can read the instructions. Are y'all an instructions person, or do y'all just try to figure it out? Because me, I'm gonna read the instructions every single time. Ooh. Okay, I see what's happening. 3. We need to start with 3. Child. How you put it? Okay. Nice. Okay. Okay. Little bird. Hashtag exhausted. Now we gotta do the inside.
I built this shit. Me. Brick by brick.
Okay, y'all, I am done with the dressing. I'm about to do my Ring camera because it's finally finished charging. And then I'm gonna go downstairs and get those 2 packages, and I'm probably done for the rest of the day. I'm probably gonna take a break. I'm not gonna really be done. I'm done building for sure. You won't see no more building until next week because 1, here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Yeah, I don't know how to work this thing. Charge before use, open the Ring app. Okay. These things busting. Yep. I'm just screwing that all up, y'all. Oh, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. He did that so quick. Okay, y'all, I'm back. What did I do? I took trash out, so I finally found a trash can. I went to my mailbox. My Curology came, so excited about that. And then maintenance ended up coming, and I got my Ring camera up. So the Ring camera's up. I'm gonna come back to you guys once maintenance is gone, because I'm gonna feel awkward talking while he's here working. So yeah, once he leaves, we'll get back to it. Okay guys, so the maintenance man is gone. I just got done cutting up my turkey bacon and my chicken. I'll show you guys what it looks like. I just wanted to make it easier for myself. So we have, this is the thicker pieces of chicken. Then I have some chicken strips. Then I have some cube ones. I think I showed that in the wrong order, but you get the gist. It's just gonna be easy to pull it out and defrost it. And then in the sink, I have some chicken cubes that I'm gonna make today with some teriyaki sauce. That's gonna be so good. But now I'm gonna put all this stuff up finally and wipe this counter off. Maintenance man got my stuff fixed, so my sink working properly, and he made my shower water hot because I got to have my water burning my skin. Of those in the bathroom, then we'll put them up in the bathroom. what that's looking like. I definitely think having a bin is gonna be way cute. I can get like a nice big something wooden to go right there. See, this is a good time where thrifting comes together. I might have to like look somewhere, but I think a bin, like not even like a bin, but like a basket, something to just sit this in is gonna be so cute right there. So I'm definitely gonna look out for that. Like I said, thrifting that would be beautiful, but I don't know when I'm gonna be going to the thrift store. But for now, it's done, and I know what I want to put there, so we're just gonna look out for it, whether it's Amazon, Walmart, wherever I find it. Put this empty box in my little trash pile so I can get my trash together. They actually gave me a trash can. I'm just being lazy. Now I'm gonna wipe this counter down because look at all the space we got. I'm trying to figure out, do I want to put this here like this? I kind of like that, y'all. I might get that. What color should we do? Silver? Probably silver. Let me write that down. Notes. I've been keeping up with everything that I want to get. Paper towel holder. Parentheses, silver. Silver and gold. I'd rather have Jesus than silver and gold. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, go buy this, bro. This smells so good. Now my house being clean, I'm just wiping this down. I'm gonna do a deeper clean eventually. Probably want to get everything put up. Gosh, I love the smell of this. Into the thing. Can't reach back here. I can't believe I stayed here. Can't believe any of this. Because all of it was possible because of you, man. Thank you, thank you. Okay, y'all, so I cleaned the kitchen and it looks amazing. Now, this is what my counter looking like right now, and I think I'm just gonna leave it because I have all my essential stuff out. Deodorant, mouthwash, toothbrush, toothpaste, floss, hand soap, retainers, stuff to clean the retainers, all my face skincare. I'm thinking, oh, and this, if I can put this up with my, where's my, yeah, it's done right here. See, like, it's just not super organized right now. These masks can go down here with the medicine. There we go. But it's not like I'm gonna get something up here on the counter, or where do I want to use. I gotta get a little rat to put right here. But yeah, I think I'm gonna wipe this counter down. That's why I came here. Wipe the counter down, and I am not lying to y'all when I tell y'all to go get this stuff. The smell that it illuminates, this and the spray, it's insane. Like, it smells so freaking good. Let's see if one's enough for this. This counter is smaller than the kitchen counter. This over here. You know what I noticed? I didn't get any glass cleaner. I don't think I did, no. I need to buy some of that. Even though this is the only glass, but still, need a glass cleaner. Alright, let's go trash this and wash my hands again. But other than that, I'm gonna see you guys later on. I think I'm gonna just relax for the night. I got so much done. I built that dresser, which took all freaking day. I don't know what I'm gonna do next, but I'll make sure I pick the camera up and show you guys. So, see you later.